Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about a very important topic about YouTube channels, and this video is about YouTube Shorts. Are you a YouTube creator and you want to earn money from YouTube Shorts? Then you are not the single one in this competition, as YouTube is promoting short videos. If you look towards eagerness of short video creation, almost every social media has tried to put short video creating a feature on their platforms. As you know, YouTube, the biggest video sharing platform, uh, is no exception. Facebook, Instagram, and many other popular apps added the short video creation feature to their platform. No doubt, for short videos, TikTok is the still most preferred platform for users because it was the first platform to introduce and boost the short video craze. But no matter what platform creators use the most, the one aspect is constant for all that is earning money. How you can earn money from short videos? This is the primary goal of the most of the content creators. In today's video, we will discuss how can you earn money from YouTube Shorts, not simply by monetization or simply by YouTube ad revenue. This video is a little bit different. It's not about earning by seeing ads. If people see ad from your YouTube channel, if they are watching your videos, they are watching your shorts. If they see videos during that, I'm not talking about that money. This is totally a different topic. YouTube Shorts, no doubt, they can give you money. As you know, if you have heard, YouTube has sanctioned around $100 million budget for 2022 for only YouTube Shorts. No doubt, you can monetize your channel. You can earn through ads by creating shorts on YouTube channel. It's fine, but there are some other means through which you can earn money using YouTube short features, and that is about the linking your affiliate program with YouTube short videos. As you have seen, many of the YouTube creators, influencers, the people who are successfully running their YouTube channels, they always put some of the links in their description for different of their affiliate programs. They put their affiliate links. If people click on their affiliate link, maybe they are just get paid by clicking on that link, or maybe they advertise the products of other networks, and people buy products from by using their affiliate link, and those creators, those influencer get paid. But a YouTube short is the simplest or easiest way to earn money. So in today's video, we will discuss how can we use YouTube short feature for earning money. We will discuss in some of other video that how can we create different accounts on different affiliate networks. What you all need to do, maybe sometime there are some CPA offers where you need to ask your visitor to fulfill some specific task, like they need to put their email, their phone number, their details, and you will be get paid. But sometime majority of the affiliate network, they pay you. You will be get paid if your visitor site, your visitor of your website or visitor of your YouTube channel, if they are buying some product, then you will be get paid. So today's video is about that. The process is very simple. I'm talking, say if you are promoting a product which is about weight loss. I'm just giving you example. In some of my next video, I will discuss how to create your account on different affiliate networks, which will be easy for beginners. And when you will when you will sign up on those on those affiliate networks, they allow you to promote some of their products, and by clicking on those products, you will get your affiliate link. What you all need to do, you just need to put your affiliate link in your description or simply in your video. So the easiest way to put some link on your video is the YouTube Shorts. So what you all need to do, so we are taking the example, like if you are promoting some products which are related to weight loss. As you know, health, wealth, these are the most burning topics of all the time. People always search for their wealth related issues, like how to earn money, how to get paid, and people always search about things related to their health. These are the most hot topics on Google search. You can simply see through Google AdWords that they are these are the most searched keywords. So we talk about YouTube Shorts. The way is very simple. Like you have chosen a product from some of your affiliate network which is related to weight loss, and you want to promote that product, and you want to sell out that product in order to get paid by that specific network. So what you will do, simply you will as you will here the best way, the easiest way to create a YouTube short is canva.com. Canva.com is a simplest platform where you can create your short video. What you all need to do, simply go to canva.com. You can sign up for that, and I think it's not very expensive platform for your YouTube videos. You can simply pay up to $12 to $15 a month. You can get their subscription. You will get a lot of features in their premium if you are paying them. But at the same time, Canva gives you option to create free videos. You can create free videos, you can create free thumbnails, you can create free like other ads and pictures. You can create a lot of things. So what you all need to do, simply just go to canva.com, and this will be the home page you will see over there. And here is this video section. From this video section, when you will click on video section, you will have interface like this. Here you will choose, in order to create YouTube shorts, you will choose this part, mobile videos. It is 1080 by 1920, exactly opposite to other YouTube videos. So simply you will click here. It will take you to another page. So you want to make some video about weight loss. First of all, what you will do, you will search something about weight loss, like ways to lose weight. As you can see, I'm just simply saying way to lose, and the Google search is already showing the various different tips about losing weight. Like there are billions of these searches here in this regard, but